What is up, YouTube? Moto Meat here, making a little video on my buddy's ride. Looks like he needs to take a bath, but the whole point is this blue tube here, this beautiful shiny blue tube, guys. Come on, blue tube for YouTube. You know what I'm saying? So it's like a $30 kit, universal air intake kit, 3-inch. All right, came with a fairly good sized cone filter here. That's why it was such a pain in the ass to put in here. But the kit comes with this here, and it feeds into the bottom here, and it comes with this intake pipe here, so it goes from small to large. This must be a 2.5 inch to 3-inch here, and then 3-inch here. So what I had to do was rip out the air box. Okay, first off, you rip out and yank off the air box, and then you get the this is hooked up to the air box here with a 90. Okay, so then you're going to move a couple of these wires. They're chilling down here. I unhooked this guy here to get this clamp on and everything. Clampity clamp. You want me to clamp him with the clampers, boss? And then I had to cut approximately, hold on a second. This is run. I got the pipe right here, guys. Calm down. I had to cut that off right there. All right. So I'm calling that about 4 inches. Clampity clamps. All right. Run back. So basically, it's pretty legit though. You want to fire this beast up so I can hear it go rah, rah. I mean, it makes the 1.6 16 valve sound like a beast. I mean, it sounds amazing, to tell you the truth. Just give it a tiny bit of pepper. All right. So that's pretty legit, guys. He's actually excited to drive it. I'm excited to see him rip down the road. So for 30 bucks, it was like 28 bucks. You get the kit. All you need is a hacksaw, and you got to rip out the air box and just, reroute a couple wires here. Make sure they're not going to get clampity clamped by the hood. And then, you know what I'm saying? That's just the way it goes. So you guys, I hope you enjoy this. I'll put the link in the description. That way you don't have to waste money buying the wrong parts. All right? Thanks for chewing the fat on this issue. Moto Meat out.